The following segment is sponsored by Intermountain Healthcare and the Utah Department of Health.
We are just a day away from June, which is Alzheimer's and Brain Awareness Month. We have Kate Netarostic, the Program Director for the Alzheimer's Association, here to talk about some very important things. First of all, they have this pamphlet here, 10 warning signs of Alzheimer's disease. So let's go over the 10 warning signs real quickly if we can.
Sure. Well, a couple of the warning signs are changes in memory, memory loss that disrupts daily life, increase in confusion, disorientation, reducing your amount of socialization, those types of things, changes in mood and behavior.
Are there ages where it's more prone to happen? I assume that you're a little bit older.
Sure. Alzheimer's disease tends to happen after someone's age 65, but can happen at any time after that.
And probably the progression varies among
from
patients.
person to person.
Right. Now we talked about the 10 signs, but there are also 10 ways to help your brain, to keep it healthy.
Absolutely. So unfortunately, Alzheimer's disease, there's no way to prevent, slow, or cure the disease process, but there are ways that we can reduce our risk of cognitive decline, and that's the 10 ways to love your brain. So I would say the four most common are cognitive exercise, physical exercise, diet, and socialization. And then you can break those down into the 10 ways.
So as far as the cognitive exercises are going, what would be some examples of that?
So one example is formal education. So the more formal education someone has, the more you're reducing your risk. And formal education could be, of course, getting an advanced degree, but also taking a class at a local senior center, anything that's really taught by an instructor.
Now we know that diet is good for your brain or your body. You mentioned socialization. So if you are a little bit more of I guess, a loner, you're more prone?
You're increasing your risk. With socialization, what we're looking to do is looking at taking care of our own mental health. So we want to reduce signs of depression, and being on your own too much can certainly increase your risk of depression. Okay,
so this is a very important Awareness Month. Do you have some events coming up?
Well, through the entire month of June, the Alzheimer's Association has deemed June as Alzheimer's and Brain Awareness Month, really to raise awareness for Alzheimer's disease and how it's affecting individuals and families. And so we're just asking folks to share facts about Alzheimer's disease throughout the month, to share information on brain health and ways to reduce your risk of cognitive decline, and then to join us in wearing purple throughout the month.
All right. You've already started.
I have.
All right, Kate, thank you very much for being with us. Some great information there we all need to know about. All right.